India is yet to respond formally to Pakistan Foreign Minister Hina Rabbani Khar's offer of dialogue to de-escalate tension after the killing of the 2 Indian soldiers along the line of control. Salman Khurshid is likely to consult the Prime Minister on this. Sources also say India wants to know just what Pakistan wants to discuss.
We said that we want an uninterrupted and an uninterruptible peace process with India. Unfortunately, this LOC incident has obviously created questions, but we still believe that dialogue must be the means to resolve this or any issue.
जैसे भी हम समझते हैं कि हमें आपसे कुछ कहना चाहिए, हम कहेंगे। मीडिया का एक रोल है, मीडिया अपना रोल पूरा कर रहा है और we've been through difficult moments and let's just take things one step at a time. The government will take everything into account, factor everything, and that's what we've been doing.
Pakistan talking about talks in a roundabout way less than 24 hours after accusing India of warmongering. But India is still playing diplomatic hardball. Sources say the government is unlikely to agree to a foreign minister level talks in the near future and would rather stick to a play-by-the-ear approach for now. Last night, Pakistan's Foreign Minister Hina Rabbani Khar issued a statement saying, "We have invested hugely in the dialogue process. It is advisable for the two countries to discuss all concerns related to the line of control with a view to reinforcing respect for the ceasefire, maybe at the level of the foreign ministers to sort out things." India has not responded formally. This morning, External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid and Defence Minister A.K. Antony briefed the cabinet. Sources say Mr. Khurshid told the Prime Minister he was pleased Pakistan had come back to talking about this at the bilateral level as opposed to the United Nations. But there was need to continue to pressure Islamabad on the mutilation of Indian soldiers. The government is keen on a step-by-step approach that does not derail the dialogue completely. For now, though the peace process is not yet frozen, there is definitely a slowdown. India isn't yet giving visa on arrival to senior citizens from Pakistan. Sources tell NDTV that if the present condition continues, it may not give Pakistani tourists group visas, which it was supposed to from March. The Commerce Secretary level meetings is also uncertain. The political chaos within Pakistan is also adding to the problem. With Nidhi Razdan in New Delhi, Shruti Ranjan Sen for NDTV.